cyber resilience. Sensitive data is safe as stored into the SIM, but it can be unexpectedly or accidentally exposed outside the SIM. In the case of 5G, more network core functions are possibly physically or logically outside the full control of the mobile carrier, sometimes close to the edge. This can result in the potential area of attack is wider than on previous network technology. In the case where sensitive data is compromised, Thales 5G SIM and OTA service can restore a trusted security level on demand without reissuing new SIM card. With this key rotation and authentication algorithm management, mobile operators are able to maintain remotely a cyber-resilient and trusted environment in the case of breaches.